In this video, I will show you how to get a server ID on Discord. So this can be for your own server or another server you've joined. To get started, open up Discord, log into your account, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come and click onto the gear icon in the bottom left hand corner, which is going to take you into your user settings. Now from here, come over to the menu on the left hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the developer option. What you want to make sure first is that you have turned on developer mode. So if it's currently switched off, turn the switch on to enable it. And then what you can do is close down your settings. Now, once you've done that, click onto the server that you want to get the server ID for. In this tutorial, I'm just going to use my Discord server as an example. Once you've done that, come up to the top left-hand corner and click onto the server name, which is going to bring up a menu like this. Now, once you've enabled developer mode, you're going to see at the bottom the option to copy server ID. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is copy the server ID. You can then go ahead and paste this and use this wherever you need to. So that's how to get a server ID on Discord. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Discord and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.